Yes, welcome to the live streaming session of Java classes. My Western laptop and my Visual Studio Code software download from the Google. So first of all, open the Visual Code software file. Click on New Text File. Then file as Java file. Keep the file name as last day. I'm already created the uh, class name Java. Now you have to put the code. What I am typing here. Import Java Java dot Java dot time zone date time zone date time enable semicolon Java put Java dot zone put Java put Java dot time time dot local date put semicolon next put Java Java dot time create and put Java import Java time put Java dot time dot temporal dot it chrono unit put Java time format format dot date matter and class demonstrator class demonstrator bracket public public static public static void main static void main string arg string arg arg bracket don't 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 date time is don't date time is used don't date time is change the time is the time according to Jones according according to Jones and system according 5 star type June dot out dot system don't date time now so date Date time now. Time now. On date time now. Stream dot the outdoor dot outdoor date time. On date time you. On date time now. Dot now. On ID of. On ID. On ID of Europe Athens of Europe Athens Europe Europe Athens Europe Athens. Then next stanza. Give the space. Next stanza. Then give double array. Give period. This code is very long. I am giving the whole description of code in the description box. Please download from the description box the code. I am just copy and pasting because the video will be 1 hour long. So I am just copy and paste this code. This is the whole code. You can see demonstrating the zone date and time. Just copy the whole code, then copy this code and paste it here, and run the code. See now that today's date is 21/12/2022. Date after 1 month will be 21 January 2023, and next is date time formatter. Its code is formatting date time 21/12/2022. 20 means 21 December 2022 period. Reference in days 3. Zone date time. Zone date time now. Here is Asia Calcutta. Is showing the time, zone date time of Asia Calcutta. It is 21/12/2022. time is 14 hours 25 minutes and 51 seconds and 81 milliseconds. So this is Asia Calcutta time and zone date time Europe. In my device it is showing 21/12/2022, means 21 December 2022 in Europe. The time is showing according to the time is now in Europe. The time is 10 o'clock, 10 past 55 minutes, 51 seconds. This is the Europe time. You can see here, you can see the Europe Athens time. This 21 December 2022, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 55 seconds, 55 minutes, 51 seconds, and 98 milliseconds plus 2. In Europe Athens. This is the Europe Athens time format, and this is the Asia Calcutta time format. This is 14 hours 25 minutes and 51 seconds. This is Asia Calcutta. According to Asia Calcutta, date time is showing, and in Europe is 10 o'clock 55 minutes 51 seconds for 98 milliseconds in Europe Athens. So this is the code where it's showing the time of Asia Calcutta, and in opposite it is also showing the time of Europe Athens. You can run this code anywhere you are staying in your device, in Windows 10 laptop or in any device in desktop also. You can see by running this code the zone date time of Asia Calcutta and zone date time of Europe. This is the magic of code. If you have any questions regarding this coding, you can ask, and you can just write down in the comment section. I will give you the answers. And if you like this video, please share with your family, friends, and do subscribe my channel by hit the red subscribe button. Coding is just very fun. Is nothing is different. Feel free to ask questions. I will give answers according to your questions, awaiting for your questions. And so please subscribe my channel and do inspire me for making this kind of coding videos. I think you understand. And this is the code. I am again demonstrating it in front of you guys. This is the code. Import. First of all, you have to create a text file, then you have to save as class demonstrator. Because this class name is demonstrator, so give the name as demonstrator dot java, as I have shown earlier in this video class. Then you have to type this code, or you just go to my description box and just download the text file, and according to the text file you just copy the code and just paste it on the demonstrator.java and then run it. The execution of the code will see in the terminal the local zone date of according to Asia Calcutta and according to Europe Athens. Is it in interesting fun topic? So the main code is import java.time.zone.datetime and end up with semicolon. Import java.time.zoneid, so end up with semicolon. Import java.time.localDate, end up with semicolon. Import java.time.period, end up with semicolon. Import java.time.temporal.chronoUnit. Okay. Then next line, import java.time.format.datetime.formatter, and that this code is formatting date time. So this date time formatter class is demonstrator, and then gives us second bracket, then public static void main. This is the coding language, public static void main, and in the first bracket give the string args, then give the second bracket, then double array zone date time is used to change the time according to zones. System dot out dot println, give the first bracket and give the semicolon and give the 5 stars and write down zone date time and end up with semicolon. System dot out dot println, inverted comma, inside inverted comma just type zone date time now, then end up with colon and write down in the inverted comma plus zone date time dot now, and first bracket, then end up with semicolon. Next line, system dot out dot println, in the inverted comma, inside inverted comma just type zone date time Europe. Because this code is calculating the zone date time of Asia Calcutta, is also calculating the zone date time of Europe and Athens. So you have to type zone date time Europe, then colon, then inside the inverted comma plus zone date time dot now. What is the time of Asia Calcutta and what is the time of Europe and Athens? This is the magic of this code. Zone date time dot now, then inside the first bracket just type zone id dot off, then inside in first bracket just put inverted comma and type Europe slash Athens, because this code is just executing the time of Asia Calcutta and also the time of Europe Athens. You have to type Europe slash Athens, then end up the first bracket and close the sentence by putting semicolon, then in the next line give space and then type period, double array period, then in the next line type system dot out dot println and end up the sentence by putting semicolon. In the next line give system dot out dot println, in the within the first bracket give the first bracket and put inverted comma, inside the inverted comma just put 5 stars, okay, and type period, period, and put again 5 stars, close the inverted comma and end the sentence by putting semicolon. Next line local date, then give a space and type present, then equals to local date dot now and end up the sentence with semicolon. Then next stanza, local date later equals to present dot plus dash 3, okay, then end the sentence by putting semicolon, then period equals to period dot between, inside first bracket give present then later, okay, then end the sentence with semicolon. Int integer lops equals to period dot get days, okay, then put semicolon at the end of the sentence, then in the next line type system dot out dot println, in the first bracket invert within the inverted comma type difference in days, then colon and then in inverted comma plus lops and in the end of the sentence put semicolon, then give space and give double array and type ChronoUnit, then in the next line type system dot out dot println and close the sentence by putting semicolon. In the next line system dot out dot println, within the first bracket give the first bracket insert inverted comma and put 5 stars, then ChronoUnit and end up the sentence with semicolon. Then in the next line local date today, what is the local date of today? All note 21st December 2022, okay, and you have to type local date dot now, okay, then end up the sentence with semicolon, then in the next line just type system.out.println, insert first bracket, insert inverted comma, type today's date colon, then insert plus today. Okay, then in the next line type local date after equals to today dot plus 1 comma chrono unit dot months, end up with semicolon. Then system.out.println within the first bracket, insert inverted comma, then type date after 1 month. What will be the date after 1 month? Okay, then type date after 1 month, then colon, then just type plus after, then end the sentence with semicolon. It will calculate date after 1 month. Then keep the space, and next line type double array date time formatter. This code is formatting date time, so you have to give the double array and type date time formatter. Then in the next line type system.out.println and give the semicolon. Then in the next line system.out.println insert a first bracket, insert a inverted comma, and type 5 stars and type date time formatter, and then 5 stars, and just close the inverted comma, and in the last give the semicolon, and in the last then in the next line just type local date payslip date equals to local date dot now, and put insert first bracket and close the first bracket, and at the end of the sentence put semicolon. Then in the next line put type system.out.println and insert a first bracket and just type payslip date, and in the end of the sentence put semicolon, and in the next line date time formatter, as it is formatting date time formatter, and give space, and the type formatter equals to date time formatter dot of pattern. The pattern is dd slash triple m slash yy double y as date time and year, so you have to type this and end up with semicolon. And then the next line system.out.println insert a first bracket, just say payslip dot date payslip date dot format, insert a first bracket and type formatter, and in the at the end of the sentence just put a semicolon, and give next line a space, and next two lines will be end up with second bracket. So this is the code. I have give the all the coding description in my description box. I uploaded it, download from the text file, and from the text file you just copy and paste it there, and there you just run this Java file. You can see date time formatter 21st December 2022, 21 December 2022, zone date time. As you can see, again I am just running this code. You can see now what is the date time of this. The execution Java file shows today's date time is 21/12/2022. It means 21st December 2020. Date after 1 month will be 21st January 2023. And next is running the execution the date time formatter. This is the formatting date time. So 21st December 2022, 21st December 2022. And another magic of this code is it is showing the time zone date time now of Asia Calcutta 21st December 2022, 21/12/2022. And now the time of Asia Calcutta is showing it is 14 hours 40 minutes 20 seconds. And so this is the Asia Calcutta date time format, and the Europe date time format is 21st December 2022, 11 o'clock past 10 minutes 20 seconds, and yes, Europe and Athens. So this is the how it is very interesting. This show the date time of Asia, Calcutta, and also shows the date time of Europe of Athens. So for this, that's it. So now I am wrap up this class. So I think you do understand this, and if you have any complexion regarding this coding class, you can write down, and I will jot down the areas of complexion, and I will give the answer. Okay, thank you so much for joining this class. Thank you, goodbye, and thank you, goodbye, guys. And please hit the red subscribe button for more type of